In this video we will learn how to implement this request. If your child task or child issue is not yet closed, we don't want to close the parent issue also. Okay, currently let me show you. This is the request. Okay, this is in the open status, and this subtask is also open ticket. Okay, I can close parent issue without any problem. I have closed, but under this child issue is still open. Okay, so in this scenario it's not a good thing. Sometimes your user want, I don't want to close this parent one until unless my all issues, child issues are closed. How to implement this request? Go to project setting. In which workflow you need to go? You need to go for the parent issue one. Okay, this is my parent one, is used by one issue type, that is a request. I am going to implement in the request issue type. While closing the ticket, it will check for the validator. Okay, because it's a validation part. You must understand what is the difference between all three. I already made a video of workflow in details. You can check that video. If you are still confused, let's add the validator. Which one should I use? Let's see. Related issue. This one, GMWE. Click on add. Okay, subtask of current issue type is, it should be any issue type. Yes, if it's as added as a subtask. Okay, issue should be closed. Please close subtask. Okay, click on add, publish. Okay, now try to close this ticket. Refresh the page. It's open. This is the unit test subtask. It's open. It's also open. Okay, now I want to close this one. Please close subtask. I am getting the error. Okay, so like this you can implement it. Once you will close the subtask, let's close the subtask. I have closed the subtask. Now I am able to close this parent task also. Let's open both. Now there is another requirement. Okay, so what is the another requirement? I will show you. Go to project setting, issue type, scheme. Let's add another issue type. Subtask. Okay, save. Now I have subtask also. In this one I am going to add subtask. Okay, click on create. Now you can see I have two issue type. One is subtask, one is unit test. So in this one, which workflow we have created, in this workflow we have added for any issue type, means all issue type it will check. Now my requirement is if my subtask, only subtask should be closed. I don't want to check the unit test. Unit test is closed, unit test is not yet closed, doesn't matter. So how to implement now? Click on add validator. You can see these all are coming from the plugin only. So if you are not using the plugin, you will not be able to see these options. Okay, now go down, Parent status validate the subtask parent issue in a specific status. I don't want to check this one. Regular rated issue, let's see this one. Click on add. Okay, so this is also the same related issue one which we have already used in last video or in this last condition, so sorry for that one. Let's check this one, JSU one. Click on add. Okay, issue link. So this is for issue link, this is not for child and parent. If you will click on parent subtask, it will check for the subtask. Okay, must have in of the following one, it should be closed, but here you also can say I cannot select the issue. So both the plugin, JSU plugin or JMW plugin, are giving the same thing. So if you are using JSU plugin not JMWE, you can use this one. If you are using JMWE and not JSU, so you can use the another one. So this is also not going to work, so let's try another option. Verify all linked issue have which you already checked. Parent issue, subtask parent issue specify. Let's see what it's saying. Okay, so it's for the parent issue one. So where it will come whenever you want to check your child one. Okay, so like I am checking for the task like parent issue, child issue should be closed. So in this scenario you want to check your parent issue should not be closed, so it should be only open status or in to-do status, etc. So in that scenario it will come. Okay, so like this you can find out. Go down. Okay, validation of subtask, we will going to check this one. Okay, filter by issue type, which issue type I want subtask. Here you can select it if you want the subtask, if you want the for unit test or anyone. Okay, validation scope do you want? I don't want any validation scope. Click on add. Filter by resolution, it's done. Click on add. Here you can see at least 0 or more than 1000 issue with the following characteristics. Issue type will be subtask, status should be closed. Okay, then only it's going to work. Click on publish. Now let's try to close. You will get the error. You are not getting the error message because we haven't provided the error message. Okay, now this subtask I am going to close. Now go to the parent one, close it. Still I am getting the error. Why? If I will close this one, check the parent issue, close, still I am getting the error. So this is not working. Okay, this is not useful. Let's try in another one. So like this, why I can stop the video and I can give you example direct one, but that is not going to work. If you are learning anything, you should check like this. I know which one is the correct one, but If you are not explaining, if you are not checking other options, then you will not be able to check it out. Okay. Related issue status validator. Go down, click on add, issue type, subtask, closed. Okay, here I can select the issue type also. It's not any. Okay, go down, please close subtask, click on add, click on publish. Okay, now come here. If I'm closing this issue, I can close easily now. Okay, let me open these two issues. Let's open this issue as well. Reopen issue, reopen issue, reopen. Come here, reopen the issue. Now I want to close the issue. I will not be able to do. I will get the error. If I will close the subtask, I am keep it open the unit test. I'm just closing this one, the subtask. Let's close the subtask. Subtask got closed. Now come here, close the issue. You will be able to close the issue. Simple. This is the open, but still I'm able to close. So like this you can do based on the validator. Thank you for watching.